There are three core and mandatory services that a representative has to offer its clients. So we act as a point of contact for individuals in Europe who want to exercise their rights under the GDPR. That is typically an individual who will look at the privacy policy of our clients on the website, and they'll say, okay, I want to contact somebody from that company to be able to, for example, have all my data deleted. And so instead of having to contact that company that's based in another country, that maybe speaks another language, there's a time difference, they don't know who exactly they need to contact. Well, the point of contact is us. And so they'll contact us, we liaise with the company, and we make sure that the individual's rights are exercised. The second thing is that we act as a point of contact for data protection authorities in Europe, so they can contact us in addition to or instead of the company located outside of the EU in the event that there's a complaint against the company, or if they have questions on how that company is processing personal data of individuals in the EU. Again, we act as that point of contact. And the third and last obligation that we have is to hold a copy of the company's record of processing activities, what we call a ROPA. And that's basically a document that describes the company's activities of how they're processing the data of personal data of individuals located in the EU. So those are the three mandatory services that representatives have to offer, and EDPO goes beyond that. So we offer also translation services. There are 24 official languages in the European Union, so we translate the requests from the original language to English and then back from any replies from English back to the original language. We also offer a compliance certificate. So it's not a compliance for the entire GDPR, it's only a compliance certificate for Article 27 of the GDPR. It's based on blockchain technology, so it's a bit techy, so our clients are really happy about that. And it just shows the world that the company has appointed a representative, that it's us, that we exist, and it makes things much more formal. And then we also offer data breach notification services. So if a company based outside the EU experiences a data breach, they have to notify all the data protection authorities in Europe where individuals are affected. There are 47 data protection authorities in Europe, 17 alone just in Germany. So companies, if they're, for example, have a website and they offer services all over Europe, they have to notify the data breach to all those authorities, and they have to do that in 72 hours. So that's quite stressful, and so we help them with that. We have a unique platform that we use to help our clients do that. So they save time, they save money, and they save a lot of stress.